Good morning, students. Welcome you all on behalf of GS College of Commerce, Wardha. Today I am going to continue our Unit 2 for the subject Business Communication and Management for BCom third sem. As you all are aware that before this we have completed different types of business communication and the other things which are included in our syllabus. And now we are here on a very last mode of our syllabus, and that is public relation management. Now this word public relation is itself a self-explanatory word. It means what? Public relation. In the business, the relations are more important, and that is the base of successful running of the business. Now relations with the public and how it should be managed, that is what is public relation management. In the business, as you know, there are different levels: top level, middle level and lower level of the management. But public relation management is generally that part of management, that kind of management which is included in the top level management, because the relations with the public are maintained by them only. It means what? If there is a manager, MD, or only a manager, managing director, or other officials who are on the top level of the management, they are maintaining the relations with the other businesses. It means what? For example, a company who is running a manufacturing units, for that the products which they are manufacturing, those must be distributed or those must be sold in the market. And when they will be sold, when they have a good name, fame, goodwill and in the market, and how it will be gained, how that relation should be maintained, and that is what is called public relation management or a public relation. In many of the offices, then let it be a government office or a private organizations, public relation officer, there is a post. That post is there in every organization, public relation post, and there public relation officer is appointed. That may be a lady or that may be a male candidate. They are working as a PROs, and those PROs must have a certain qualification, then only they can get appointed on that particular post. So public relation officer plays a very important role in public relation management. Now here we are going to see the public relation management, what it means, what is the definition of public relation management, what are the different features or qualities which a public relation officer should have. But before that, we will start with what is the meaning of public relation or public relation management. Here public relation means relation with the public. It is a very simple fundamental thing, that relation with the public. And when these relations with the publics will be maintained, will be established or created, it means when you have entered into any business, any particular business, and if you want to explore that business, to grow that business, and that reason relation must be maintained. And to maintain those relations, here it is said, it aims to create a goodwill, name, fame in the market, in the business, and earns credit for their achievements. Obviously, once you are in the initial stage of the business, it will take little time. But once you are established, once you have gained a name and fame in the market, it is up to you to continue to give the quality products and maintain your quality in the market. So public relation means relation with the public. Now what kind of public this is? Every public, the persons, the employees who are working in the organization, the existing employees, at the same time with whom there are different suppliers, there are different shareholders. These persons are the external persons, means they are not directly related with the business, but they are part of the business. So relations with them is very important. So public relation means relation with the public, and it aims to create a goodwill, name and fame in the business and earns credit for their achievement. Now I think the definition or the meaning which is given here is clear for you, that what is public relation or what is public relation management. So we will go ahead now. One of the definition given, that is public relation is a function of management. What it is said here, public relation is function of the management which denotes pre-planned and concrete efforts to establish and maintain mutual understanding between organization and member of the public. As we have said that it is one of the important function. In this definition, what is said, public relation is one of the important functions, and what that functions denotes, what that function says, that it is a pre-planned and concrete efforts to establish and maintain a mutual understanding between the organization and member of the public. Just now we have discussed that when the top level management persons, that is MDs or directors or the other officials who are working on the top level of the management, they people are mainly responsible for the growth and development of the business. And now here we can say that they work as a most important source for the maintaining the relation, establishing the relation with the public, so that their business can grow, the business can be developed, or at the same time the main aim to achieve its business goals can be achieved. Now here it is said that it is a function of management which denotes pre-planned and concrete efforts to establish and maintain mutual understanding. What it helps? Now public relation helps. Public relation main motive is to establish and maintain mutual understanding between whom? Between organization and members of public. That is a very important thing. Establishing, maintaining, continuing the relationship with the public so that the future of the business must be good. The future of the business is bright. For that reason, to go on the business for a longer period, to achieve its business goal, public relation is more important. It is most effective function of the management. If the relations with the public is good, if any company who is engaged in the paint business, it means they are selling the different kinds of paint, distemper paint, plastic paint, etc., etc. Now in that case, if their name, fame, goodwill is good in the market, then it is created. It is not a one-day job. Okay, for that these people, these PROs has to take lot of efforts to continue their image in the market, and for that reason public relation officers are appointed in government offices also, in private offices also, and it is their duty, it is their job to bring the business. Okay, the marketing people, they are working, ultimately they are working as a PROs, we can say that. It means in the market they are entering, they are selling their products, and in that process, while selling the products, they have to explain the goodwill of their company, they have to say the quality of their products, and once it is established, once it is maintained, then it is easy to grow your business. Means what is the aim of public relation? That you need to understand. That is, public relation means relation with the public. You are maintaining, you are visiting a dealer once, twice, thrice, 4 times. It means you are, after meeting him regularly, you are maintaining your relations. Okay, you are continuing, you are establishing the relations, and that relations are going to help you in your promotion of the sales. Unless the sales is promoted, you cannot earn maximum profit. When the sales promotion is there, where your products are sold in the market, ultimately the company is going to earn the profit, and that high earning of the profit, maintaining the goodwill in the market, ultimately it is achievement of the business goals. Are you getting my point? Okay, so this is how is the main role of the public relation in the management. And according to a syllabus, public relation management is a separate topic. It means what? You need to learn all these things. That what is public relation, why there is a need of public relation in the business, how the business communication can be effective with the help of public relation. That is one of the more important aspect in business communication. So again I will repeat the definition. It says public relation is a function of management which denotes pre-planned. Again, in whatever the plans of the companies, those are the pre-plans, and the pre-planned and concrete efforts to establish and maintain mutual understanding between organization and member of the public. If your planning is good, see, in the business planning is very important. Unless you are planned, if you have a successful plan, then that plan be very easy to achieve your business goals. For your achieving the business goals, your plans must be perfect. Your plans must be, there are different kinds of plans which we have seen in our last year subject. So pre-planned and concrete efforts to establish and maintain mutual understanding between the organization and members of the public. So that is what is the main role role of public relation. This definition I have given you, then it is a public relation. The meaning of this is what? This is the meaning. This is meaning, this is definition, and this is PRO. In our next session, we are going to see what is the role of PRO in public relation management. But before this, we will just have a recap. What we have seen, the meaning. What is the meaning? Public relation means relation with the public. It aims to create a goodwill, name in the business, and earns credits for the achievement. What do you mean by this credits for the achievements? It means the credit, and that credit is in the form of continuity of the business. If your goodwill is good in the market, if you have earned name and fame in the market, that is one of your achievement. So it is said that earns credits for the achievement. So this is what is the meaning of public relation, and this is the definition. Definition, what it says? Public relation is a function of, why I am repeating this definition? Because it gives you the clear-cut idea of this particular topic. Public relation is a function of management which denotes pre-planned and concrete efforts to establish and maintain mutual understanding between the organization and members of the public. When we say it is a relation, it means two persons are involved, two parties are involved in that. Okay, again, because we are going through with the topic communication. Okay, and to make that business communication effective and successful, relation is important. And relation, as we have seen, one is sender, another is receiver. Okay, now when relations are maintained, okay, the top level management persons, they are sending the informations, they are maintaining their relations in the market, and in return they are getting the responses from the other parties, responses from the suppliers, and that is what it is a two-way process. We can say that business public relation is a two-way process, and in that process it creates mutual understanding between the organization, between the organizational members and other members of the public. And that is why this definition clearly says that once you are good in relations, when a person can maintain a good relations in the market, he can establish a good relation, he can maintain a good relation in the market, then whose job it is? It is the public relation officer. He is the person responsible to make his business more successful, more effective. So public relation officer plays a very important role in the process of public relation management, and the role of his we will see in the next class. Other things which are related to this topic we will see in our next lesson. So before that, you need to understand its meaning, its definition and role we are going to see in our next session. By the time, stay safe, stay home, study well, go through the study notes. Thank you.